Hello everyone. Today we are going on an amazing journey to explore the world's most expensive tech things. These are not just gadgets or machines. They are masterpieces of technology, design and creativity. From billion-dollar supercomputers to diamond-covered watches, from luxury cars to rare digital assets. You will be surprised at how far human can go to make something truly extraordinary and of course truly expensive. Number 1. Supercomputers. Let's start big. With the giants of computing, the most expensive supercomputer ever built is Frontier, located in the USA. It cost around $600 million. Why so much? Because it can perform more than a quintillion calculations per second. That's faster than the human brain by thousands of times. Supercomputers like Frontier are used for space research, weather prediction, medicine, and even nuclear science. Number 2. The world's most expensive smartphone. Phones are part of our daily lives, but some people want more than just a normal iPhone or Samsung. The Falcon Supernova iPhone 6 Pink Diamond Edition cost $48.5 million. Yes, a phone worth more than most airplanes. Why? Because it has a huge pink diamond embedded at the back and it's coated with platinum. So it's not really about technology, it's about luxury and status. Number 3. Most expensive laptop. Do you think your laptop is expensive? Wait until you hear this. The Lavaglio laptop, designed in London, cost $1 million. It's handmade and buyers can choose a rare material like diamonds, gold and precious wood. It even has a diamond embedded power button. Only a few of these laptops exist, making it more of a luxury jewel than just computer. Number 4. Luxury watches with tech. Now let's move to watches. The most expensive textile watch is the Hallucination watch by Graf Diamonds. It cost $55 million. The watch has hundreds of rare colored diamonds, all set in platinum. Imagine carrying a whole jewelry shop on your wrist. While it tells time, the main purpose is to show wealth and craftsmanship. Number 5. Cars with advanced tech. Cars are one of the best places to see technology meet luxury. The Bugatti is one of the most expensive tech cars in the world. Priced at $18.7 million. It has a W17 engine, top speed over 400 km per hour and advanced aerodynamics. But beyond speed, it's about engineering perfection and unique design. Only one model exists. Number 6. Expensive planes and jets. When we go higher than cars, private jets become the ultimate tech luxury. The Airbus A380 custom jet, owned by Saudi prince, cost more than $500 million after customization. Inside it has a concert hall, Turkish bath, prayer room and even a garage of cars. It's basically a flying place. Number 7. Space tech rockets. Space is the most expensive frontier. NASA's Space Launch System rocket costs about $2 billion per launch. Elon Musk SpaceX also builds rockets like the Starship, designed to carry humans to Mars. These technologies are expensive because they are pushing the limits of human possibility. Number 8. NFTs and digital assets. Now let's talk about the digital world. The most expensive NFT ever sold was Every Day, the first 5,000 days by Beeple. which went for $69 million. NFTs are basically digital artworks or assets stored on blockchain. People pay millions to own these unique digital pieces. Even though you can see them online for free, it shows how technology is changing the meaning of ownership. Number 9. Domain names. Even website name can be super expensive. The domain name carinsurance.com was sold for $49.7 million. Why so much? Because millions of people search for car insurance every year. And owning this domain is like owning a gold mine of online traffic. In the tech world, digital real estate is just as valuable as physical real estate. Number 10. Robots and AI creations. Finally, let's talk about robots and AI. The most expensive humanoid robot ever built is Emka, which cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. It can mimic human facial expression and talk naturally. And in the art world, an AI created painting called Edmond de Bleme sold for $432,500 at Christie's auction. This shows how artificial intelligence is now competing with the human creativity. So from billion-dollar supercomputers to digital artwork worth more than houses, the most expensive tech things tell us one story. Humans don't just create technology for use, we also create it for pride, luxury and imagination. Technology is not about making life easier, it's also about pushing the limits of what's possible. Who knows? Maybe in the future, the most expensive tech thing item will not be on Earth but somewhere in space. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy this. You enjoying.